Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Krishna districts. Majorly, I covered Vijayawada location and Machilipatnam and some other locations. You can check all the job openings, and if you are suitable for any job profile, you can apply. You can contact the companies. Let us start our video without any delay.
Attention please. Do not pay money for any kind of job.
Firstly, there is a job openings for Bandhan Bank all over India, and they have 3656 bank units and 1045 general banking branches, and they have a openings for 45549 job roles. You can check with the job description details, and this is a field job. If you see, qualifications should be minimum 20 to 32 years of age between, and that is maximum age is 32 years, and should have 10 plus 2 qualification and above, and you should have a bike or scooty, and should have driving license as well. So this is a field work. And then if you see, they are going to give a uh, fixed salary and pf, medical claims, insurance, gratuity, like this. And based on your performance, your salary will be revised. So you should have a PAN card, and you should have a Aadhaar card, everything, and you should share your resume or CV along with your documents to the provided email ID. Email ID is terroritory@bandhanbank.com. So this is the email ID you have to share. If you have any questions, let me know in below in comments. I'll be replying for that. Next, there is a job opening for Sri Sirisha Clinic for pharmacist. Only female candidate is eligible for the job role pharmacist. Qualification should be any graduate and should have a computer knowledge. You can. They also included the address details near Time Hospital, Bandar Road, Vijayawada. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 8332988805. Next, there is a job opening for GNLT Technologies for telecaller and system operator positions. Qualification any degree near Satyanarayapuram, Vijayawada. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 90143 Next, there is a job opening for Happy Vacations Tours and Travels. For accountant position, they have opening, and accountant come office in charge. Only female candidate is eligible for this job role. And for marketing executive, there is a job opening as well. Only female candidate is eligible, and they require office attender as well. Only female candidate is eligible for this job role as well. For accountant come office in charge, they have not mentioned any like gender. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9550911888. Next, there is a job opening for Venkateswara Paper Private Products Private Limited. They are looking for a qualified secretary position to fill that role, and should have a membership number as well, and should have 2 to 3 years of experience, preferably ICWA qualified. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, and they have also included the address details, office address details. You can check with that, like plot number 7, APIIC Modern Industrial Park, Malavalli, Krishna districts, AP 521111. Email ID is contact@venkateswarapapers.com. Contact@venkateswarapapers.com. Next, there is a job opening for SMW Architects in Vijayawada for the job positions site supervisor and draftsman. You can contact Mr. T. Varun Teja on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9492922699. Next, there is a job opening for Sansai Group directly walk-in. They have given several job openings along with requirements, and most of them are experienced. You can check with the company on the given phone numbers. They have also included the official email ID. You can check with that. You have to forward your resume at the provided email ID. Like they have openings for Nalgonda, Miryalgooda, Suryapet and Kodad. They are authorized dealers of Hyundai. They are in need of the job roles like workshop manager and assistant service manager, floor in charge, accounts manager, senior sales executives, spare parts manager, senior technicians, service advisors and junior accountant. For workshop manager, they require minimum 2 to 5 years of experience in any two-wheeler industry. For assistant service manager, they are asking for minimum 4 to 10 years of experience in a four-wheeler industry. And for floor in charge position, they are asking for minimum 4 years of or above 4 years in a four-wheeler industry. For accounts manager, they are asking for minimum 6 to 10 years of experience. Should have a knowledge of tally, both two-wheeler and four-wheeler industry, both are eligible. For senior sales executives, minimum 2 to 3 years of experience is required in four-wheeler industry. And for spare parts manager, with minimum 6 to 10 years of experience, they are asking should have a four-wheeler automobile industry experience. And senior technicians, minimum 3 to 12 years of experience they are asking in four-wheeler automobile industry. For service advisors, minimum 2 to 4 years of experience they are asking in automobile four-wheeler industry. For junior accountant, they are asking minimum 2 to 4 years of experience in automobile industry four-wheelers. The email ID is sansai.hr@gmail.com and contact numbers are 9160800028 and 7738186865. Next, there is a job openings for Sri Vidya College, Gaurisankarpuram, Gurivada, Krishna district. They have vacancies for lecturer positions for the subjects English, Sanskrit, Mathematics, Botany, Chemistry to teach the classes intermediate. And they also have the vacancies for computer operators and should have a knowledge of Telugu and English typing. Computer operators should have knowledge of Telugu and English typing. And they are also looking for supervisors. Salary is negotiable, like it will be based upon your skill set and experience. Interested candidates directly come to the you directly walk into the given address and attend the interview between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. They provide the contact numbers for further information, and if you have any clarifications or if you need anything, you can contact. Contact numbers are 08674 244 and 08674 245 Next, there is a job opening for SVIT, Sri Vasavi Institute of Engineering and Technology. They have several vacancies, and it is like they have vacancies like they have walk-in direct interviews on December 15th, December 16th, December 17th for several individual job openings. Like for the mechanical and CSC computer science departments, they have direct walk-in on December 15th. For ECE and civil electronics and communications engineering department and civil department, they have direct walk-in on December 16th. And for MBA physics, chemistry department, mathematics department, English department and administrative officer positions, for all these vacancies they have direct walk-in on December 17th. You can directly walk in on the given dates for the particular job role vacancies to fulfill. Like they have also included the address details here. You can check with that. They have provided the address details. Nandamuru, Pedana Mandal, Machilipatnam 521369. They are also included the contact numbers. You can directly contact on the given phone number or mobile number for further information. Like venue will be SVIET campus Nandamuru. And if we see, there are vacancies for professors, associate professors, assistant professors, and all are having walk-in individual dates. You can check with that. And qualifications are as per AICT norms and pay scale. Like their salary offer will be based upon the AICT norms as well. And special allowances will be given for PhD holders. and high payments like higher salaries offered for the candidates who have the degrees from IITs, NITs and state universities. Senior faculty like who are having the experience, who are if they are experience, you can directly share your resumes at the provided email id. Like email id is careers@sviet.edu.in, and you should bring all original certificates along with one set of photostat copies, like xerox copies needed, all the certificates whatever you have eligibility, and you should you should carry the original certificates as well. And experience, if you have any experience, you should carry experience certificates as well, and 2 passport size photographs are needed. And for freshers also they have eligibility as per AICTE norms. Qualification should be as per AICTE norms. And contact numbers are 08672241387, and mobile number is 9490754794. There is a job opening for Aditya Degree Colleges for Kakinada location, and they have several openings in North Andhra and Godavari districts as well. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. They have several vacancies like for the subjects mathematics, computers, artificial intelligence, commerce, microbiology, digital marketing, physics, statistics, data sciences, management, biochemistry, hotel management, chemistry, electronics, animation, forensic science, biotechnology, English and Telugu languages, and there are also vacancies for arithmetic, reasoning and soft skills trainers, and they are also looking for librarians, lab demonstrator for all science labs, and they are also looking for hardware technicians for computer labs. Attractive salary is offered for deserving candidates. Okay, this is the updates they given, and you can share your resume at the provided email id career@aditya.ac.in, and contact numbers are 088423766665 and 0884238535, and mobile number is 9704376667. They have also included the official website address. You can check with that www.aditya.ac.in/degree. Next, there is a job opening for Pattabi Agro Foods Private Limited. They have several vacancies like feed plant manager and marketing executive. They have included the address details here. You can check with that. And if you see, they are looking for feed plant manager, should have a experience of 10 to 15 years in reputed poultry or fish feed plant, should have knowledge of process and premix, and should be a graduate, and this is for poultry feed division. And they have vacancy for marketing executive, should have minimum 5 to 10 years of experience in poultry feed, and should have a in FMCG marketing in Krishna or West Godavari or Vizag or Orissa regions. They have provided the 2 email IDs to share your resume. One is hr@pattabiagro.com, and one more is ogovinda@pattabiagro.com, and contact numbers are 9848723275, and one more is 9948434723. They have provided the address details as well. You can check with that. Next, there is a job opening for Andhra Layola Institute of Engineering and Technology, and this is located at Vijayawada only. You can share your resume at the provided email ID. They have also provided the phone number. You can contact them for the further information if you have any questions or queries. They have vacancies for professors, associate professors and assistant professors for the departments mechanical engineering, electronics and communication engineering department, and electrical and electronics engineering department, and computer science engineering department, and information technology department. Qualifications as per the AICTE norms. They are telling qualification will be as per AICTE norms, and special consideration like preference will be given to the PhD candidates. So you can directly share your photocopies and certificates and xerox copies and photographs as well, and should reach before or by December 20th. You can share your resume and certificates at the provided email ID alietbza@gmail.com, and contact number is 08662476 So you have to submit the application along with the detailed of your resume or CV. Two passport size photographs are required and Xerox copies of your all certificates and should reach by December 20th. Next, there is a job opening for Rajarao High School. They are asking for a bus driver part-time. This is a part-time job. Salary offered 6,000. They have also included the address details here. You can check with that. Aravinda Vidhi, Vidyadharapuram, Vijayawada 12. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9440280263. Next, there is a job opening for Sri Navabharat TV channel. This is like they are looking for mandal wise. They are looking for reporters and division in charges, and they are also looking for district in charges. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job roles. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 7330887979 and 6301459335. Next, there is a job opening for HP gas agencies located in Vijayawada. They are looking for gas delivery boys and mechanics and clerks and computer operators. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job roles like computer operator. For others, they are looking for only male candidates. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9399393993 and 9339922227. Next, there is a job opening for Spectra like WAPCO authorized dealers. They are looking for air brakes mechanics and helpers are required as well. You can contact in the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9246833904. Next, there is a job opening for NSR Infras, a real estate company. They are looking for manager, site manager and receptionist and office boy. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9493345056. Next, there is a job opening for Purnima Silver Palace located at first floor Jai Hind Talkies Complex, Governorpet, Vijayawada. And they are looking for sales executives. Both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9347191826. Next, there is a job opening for Navata Road Transports. They are looking for few of the job vacancies are available like cleaners and mechanics. Both these positions are available, and they are also looking for drivers as well. Minimum qualification is 10th, inter, degree or diploma or ITI, and the age should be below 30 years. And you can directly walk into the given address on December 15th and 16th along with your resume or CV and your original certificates. Original certificates are just only for verification. You have to walk in between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and the address is HR Department, Navata Road Transport, Bose Building, Kanuru, Vijayawada 7. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 8885567823 and 0866663877. Next, there is a job opening for RK Engineering College located at Ketanakonda. They are looking for ladies and boys hostel wardens and electricians and security guards. The salary will be offered based upon the qualification and experience. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9701473399. Next, there is a job opening for beauticians like they are looking for Sneha Spit and Glorious Gym. The organization name is Sneha Spit and Glorious Gym. They are looking for gym trainers and gents saloon staff. Like they should know the all different variety of haircuts. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. 9704073799. Next, there is a job opening for Tej Digital. They are looking for flexi designer. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. They will offer minimum 20 to 25,000 per month, and they are also offer free accommodation and food. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9912224060. Next, there is a job opening for Adya Arogya Pharmacy. They are looking for pharmacists to work in a generic pharmacy like Adya Arogya Pharmacy. Only male candidates are eligible for the job role and experience is required. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9550536699. Next, there is a job opening for Sri Rama Iron and Hardware. They are looking for helpers. Should be a minimum SSC or below SSC also acceptable. Both male and female candidates are eligible, and attractive salary is offered. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9346242973. Next, there is a job opening for primary school. They are looking for biology teacher. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9985625381, and this is for biology subject. Next, there is a job opening for Kapil Chips Private Limited. They are looking for few of the job openings like assistants and collection managers and legal assistants. Age should be below 30 years. They are looking for several locations like Vijayawada, Nuziveedu, Eluru, Machilipatnam, Bhimavaram. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9705909497 and 8096912422. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with the more updated job openings for Vijayawada location as soon as possible. I will try to provide the upload the video as soon as possible. I will be uploading other cities videos as well, so it will be getting delayed sometimes. Thank you so much for your love and support, guys. Keep support like this. I will be providing genuine information. I will be checking on my end as well before giving information, and I also started giving the information through websites as well. I will include more job openings, and I will try to give as much as possible updates as early as possible. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos. Please share our channel with your friends and family members who are in need of job. Help them as well. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Have a great day.